This is our AI-assisted robot for drainage and sewage maintenance. This robot was created by me, Abir, and my teammate Emtenan Kabir. Bangladesh, along with many developing countries, faces numerous challenges related to drainage and sewage systems. Sewage often becomes blocked, leading to issues such as gas explosions. The cleaning process is unhealthy, insecure, and unethical. Additionally, the construction and maintenance of drainage systems require significant time, money, and manual labor. To address these problems, we have developed a solution using robotics and AI. We designed a robust robot that can navigate inside drains. With the help of artificial intelligence and sensors, it can detect debris and pollution, clean them up, and help resolve surrounding issues. We created two types of robots to work in different types of drains. Our research involved gathering data to develop an AI algorithm. Our first robot is designed to work and clean flat surfaced drains, while our second robot is capable of cleaning pipelines. Here is our first robot, which can work in flat surfaced drains. Our second robot can work in pipelines. Here is a live demonstration of our robot cleaning a real drain and drainage systems. Here you can see it is detecting many types of pollutants and trashes through its AI algorithm computer vision image detection model. It is detecting plastic bottle and other debris, and now it is collecting from its robotic arm. Now it is cleaning trashes by its water nozzle. It also has humidity, temperature, air quality, water, gas, and light sensors. It is now detecting flammable gas. When we give it clean water, you can see the turbidity is very high. But when we give it a polluted water, the turbidity is low, so it can detect polluted and clean waters. It has also a light to navigate in the dark.